Welcome back to World Decoder. Last time we stood in awe before the Helios laser, witnessing the raw power of light. Today, we shift our gaze high into the sky, where a true phantom exists, lurking silently above the clouds right now. This is not just another aircraft, it is a flying supercomputer, a weapon designed to dominate the modern aerial battlefield entirely. American strategists believe this machine will render even the most advanced air defense systems on Earth completely obsolete and useless. Let us decode Part 2, the B-21 Raider, the digital ghost and the stealth revolution that is changing warfare forever. Chapter 1, Inheriting a Legend. For over 30 years, the B-2 Spirit has served as the iconic symbol of air power. Its distinct bat-like shape struck fear into enemies, representing the pinnacle of American aviation engineering during the late 20th century. However, the B-2 became too expensive to operate and incredibly difficult to maintain, creating a logistical nightmare for the military. To maintain dominance in the era of 2026, the Pentagon needed something smarter, cheaper, and significantly more stealthy than ever before. That is exactly why the B-21 Raider was born, a machine built to answer the demanding challenges of modern warfare. On the surface, it appears smaller than the B-2, but inside it hides technological secrets the world has never seen. Chapter 2, Decoding Digital Stealth. Moving beyond just the paint, many believe stealth is simply black paint absorbing radar waves. With the B-21 Raider, that special coating is merely the tip of the iceberg in a deep ocean of technology. Perfect tailless design. Eliminating the vertical tail completely helps minimize radar reflection angles, creating a ghost in the sky. The B-21 features a surface so incredibly smooth that radar waves simply slide off it instead of reflecting back home. This unique geometry ensures that enemy detection systems remain silent, seeing nothing but empty air where a bomber actually flies. World Decoder reveals that the B-21 is not just invisible to high-frequency radars used for guiding deadly incoming missiles. It is also optimized to defeat low-frequency radars, which are typically used to detect stealth targets from very long distances. Heat management. The engines of the B-21 are buried deep within the fuselage, hiding the heat source from enemy sensors. A sophisticated system mixes cold air with the exhaust, effectively neutralizing the thermal signature trailing behind this flying digital ghost. This advanced thermal engineering renders heat-seeking missiles practically useless against this phantom, ensuring safety in the most hostile environments. Chapter 3, Supercomputer in the Stratosphere. The biggest difference between the B-21 and previous generations lies in one key phrase: open systems architecture. This concept revolutionizes how military hardware is built, maintained, and upgraded for future unknown combat scenarios. World Decoder explains. Imagine the B-21 Raider acting just like a sophisticated flying iPhone patrolling the high skies today. When a new enemy radar appears, the US Air Force does not need to dismantle the aircraft to upgrade hardware. They simply download a software update overnight, adapting the aircraft to new threats instantly, without expensive and lengthy mechanical overhauls. This aircraft can automatically process billions of data points from satellites, drones, and warships to understand the battlefield instantly. It calculates the shortest and safest path through enemy defense networks without requiring deep manual intervention from the human pilot. Chapter 4, The Role of a Coordination Center. The B-21 Raider does not go into battle alone in modern war. In modern combat scenarios, it acts as the playmaker, the quarterback, directing the flow of the entire aerial offensive operation. It can control a swarm of accompanying drones, known as the CCA project, which we will decode in a later video. These drones act as decoys or attack secondary targets, drawing fire while the B-21 silently proceeds to the main objective. It slips through unnoticed to destroy strategic targets using smart bombs or long-range cruise missiles with absolute and deadly precision. World Decoder concludes, the B-21 Raider is not just a bomber, it is a statement of American software dominance. It does not need to be the fastest aircraft, but it must be the hardest to find and the smartest. Part 3 will take us to a completely different extreme: speed. We will decode the Dark Eagle hypersonic missile system. This weapon can hit a target halfway around the world in just minutes. Imagine the silence of B-21 meeting speed. When the silence of the B-21 combines with the hypersonic speed of Dark Eagle, what will the war scenario look like? hit subscribe, and wait for the next journey on World Decoder. We are just getting started with these military revelations. In your opinion, is stealth or speed the deciding factor in victory? Please comment below and let us know your thoughts. The night sky holds many secrets, and the B-21 is designed to own the darkness completely, unseen by any watchful eye. Pilots of the future will be system managers, overseeing a network of machines rather than just flying a single plane. Global reach is the ultimate goal, to strike any target, anywhere, at any time, without warning or possibility of interception. Every inch of this machine is a marvel of material science, designed to defy the laws of physics and detection. As it returns to base, the world remains unaware of its presence, a true testament to the power of invisible warfare. The mission does not end at landing. The data harvested is analyzed to make the next flight even more effective. Future wars will be fought with information as much as explosives. The side with the best data processing will win. From the F-22 to the B-21, the evolution of stealth has been a relentless pursuit of the ultimate invisible shape. Old technologies are fading away. The era of traditional air defense is ending, replaced by a new game of hide and seek. Look up at the stars. You might see nothing, but that does not mean the sky is empty of human ingenuity. It is truly a digital organism, born from code and silicon, wrapped in a shell of advanced composite stealth materials. Even the sound of freedom is becoming quieter. The roar of jets is being replaced by the silence of efficiency. From this altitude, national borders disappear. The B-21 operates in a domain where only the laws of physics apply. With aerial refueling, its range is limited only by the endurance of the crew, allowing it to strike anywhere globally. Manufacturing these machines requires precision measured in microns. It is a masterpiece of industrial capability and advanced aerospace engineering. The industrial might behind this project involves thousands of suppliers, all working in secret to build the future of defense. Rain, storm, or snow, the mission proceeds. The Raider is built to survive and operate in the toughest weather conditions. These sensors act as the eyes and ears, drinking in information from the environment to keep the aircraft safe. Information overload is a risk, but the AI filters the noise, presenting only what matters most to the human pilot. Aerodynamics and stealth often conflict, but here they have found a perfect harmony, creating a machine that flies beautifully. The human element remains crucial. Machines process data, but humans make the ultimate moral decisions in the heat of combat. Over the vast oceans, it patrols silently, a guardian of the skies, ensuring that shipping lanes and borders remain secure. Affordability is a stealth feature too. Being able to build more aircraft means a more resilient and capable air force. It stands on the shoulders of giants. A century of aviation history has led to this specific moment in time. As we watch it fly away, we are looking at the next 50 years of air superiority in a single frame. Strategic placement of these assets ensures that no corner of the globe is beyond the reach of the United States. Maintenance is now predictive. The aircraft tells the mechanics what it needs before it even breaks, saving time and money. A shadow passes over the land. It is fleeting, silent, and terrifying to those who understand what it truly represents. The greatest weapon is not the bomb it carries, but the confusion it creates in the mind of the adversary. Integration with fighters like the F-35 creates a combined force that is greater than the sum of its individual parts. In the golden light of dawn, the B-21 looks less like a weapon and more like a work of modern art. But do not be fooled by its beauty. Inside lies the capacity to deliver devastating power with pinpoint accuracy on demand. It moves with a purpose. Every mission is calculated, every flight path optimized for survival and success in the mission. The link to space is unbroken. Satellites provide the eyes from above, while the B-21 provides the fist from below. And just like that, it vanishes. Into the mist, into the data streams, returning to the shadows where it belongs. We have seen the stealth, the data processing, the range, and the power. The B-21 is indeed a technological marvel. But remember, stealth is slow. Next time, we go fast. Dark Eagle is waiting to be decoded in part 3. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the B-21, please hit the like button and share this video with friends. We read every comment. Tell us what other military technologies you want World Decoder to analyze in our future videos. Your support keeps this channel running. We are dedicated to bringing you the most detailed breakdowns of world-changing technology. Check out our previous video on the Helios laser if you missed it, or explore our playlist for more content. Thank you for watching. Keep your eyes on the horizon and your mind open. The future is closer than it appears. This is World Decoder signing off. See you in the next mission. Stay curious and stay safe out there, everyone.